flow reading from the Siemens flow meter and our flow meter. So the accuracy, Siemens is top end one for flow meter. The flow meter reading and our reading is always about 2-3% different. Because initially when we launched, everybody got doubt. How is your accuracy? You say 2% what? So we will compare. So it's always between 2 to 3%. You see 1005, what we are reading is 149 something, this one is 1525. So it's about, okay. So now I change the flow. I change the flow from 1005 to 1000 liter per hour. Okay. So immediately when I go back, you can see here. Which is the okay. You can hear the actuator is closing immediately. You can see, I go back, it's done already, 1000. So the reaction is very fast. You see, it's 1000. Yes. Okay, because you see, electromagnetic flow meter, they are doing the averaging, so their reading is much slower because they need to average out. Ultrasonic is immediate, so that's why you can see the reaction is a little bit slower. 1000, mine is 1004, 1014, so it's very near. Okay, so it's very near. Why I changed to 1000 is because I want to simulate 5 volt. 5 volt is 20% of the flow. 1000, 20% is 200 liter per hour. So when I change the input signal down to 5 volt, okay, you can see the flow reduce, the position of the valve is closing, the flow is dropping. Okay, almost there already. You see, about 200. So that's how fast the reaction is. And to show you the minimum flow control of 0.5 volt. This one, because I told you it's about 0.4 mm, so it's very difficult. So they take a little bit longer time to close open, and then go to the design, go to 23 liter per hour. You see now 0, okay, now 28, 72. So they need to adjust a little bit by a little bit. So they need a longer time. Around there already, 23, 22. But this one cannot read because the turn down ratio is too low. That's the disadvantage of the flow meter. Maybe for your fan coil unit, you also have this problem. For a few fan coil unit at the branch, yeah, you may have this problem. Okay. So it's there already. So like, I go back to 10 volt. You see, when opening up, it will take a little bit longer time. Yeah, 14 something. Then after that, it will speed up to open more. Okay, there. So if I reduce my VSD speed, so now the opening is about 32.7. So when I reduce my VSD speed, I'm reducing the flow. So the flow reduced, but my valve will start to open to maintain 1000. Okay. So when I set the flow to higher flow rate, now the flow is very low. They will send out an error message, flow not reached. Okay, I go to 4006. Okay, so you can see flow is 1002. They will open up the valve 60%. They will try to open to get more flow. Okay, when they fully open and they cannot get the design flow of the setting, they will send out one error. Flow not reached. It means we will know that it's underflow. Now it's still green, yellow come out already. Error, status, flow not reached. So that's why this one is so simple until every owner consultant will like it a lot. And then instead of BTU meter, then you have to install so many things. You have to commissioning two things, wiring, installation, troubleshooting, all become your cost. 我开到我都没有办法4600。Set back to original。那等一下我走人了，等一下就乱了。